Hello, and on behalf of the JBL MIS crew, thank you for looking at our YouTube channel. Several of you have asked about adding a fuel surcharge to certain orders and/or customers. Your MIS system has a feature that can automatically add a percentage surcharge based on a specific ship via code contained on an order. While we have touched on this feature in a previous video, we decided to do an update given the rising cost of fuel. To use this feature, you must go to your I4 control table and set up a few things. First, tell the system you want to charge the surcharge or fee. Then enter the ship via code associated with a surcharge. I'm going to go ahead and hit a lookup on my ship via codes, and notice I have two codes for local delivery. The CT or company truck code is a standard local delivery ship via code that will not charge a surcharge. The other delivery code in my example is CS. CS is another company truck ship via code, but that code will automatically add the surcharge. The beauty of this feature is that some customers can have a default ship via code that will always add the surcharge. Note that when the order is complete, the inside salesperson is notified that a surcharge will automatically be added to the order, but the system will allow the salesperson to not add the surcharge when the order is complete. Also, the surcharge dollar amount can be changed or completely removed before the invoice is finalized using order corrections. Next, enter the percentage associated with the surcharge. In my example, I am instructing the system to add an 8% surcharge. Next, enter the general ledger revenue account associated with this charge. The description of the general ledger account is important as this is what is going to print on your invoice. Finally, you have the option to tell the system if this charge is taxable. Check with your CPA on how you should answer this question. Let's go ahead and go to our order entry module and enter an order. We'll pull up our customer. At this point, notice the default ship via code for the customer is CT. The CT code will not automatically add the surcharge. I'm going to hit my lookup key and change our ship via code to the CS code because I want to add a surcharge to this order. Now remember, if you want to always be given the option to charge a specific customer the fuel surcharge, simply go to the customer's file and make sure their ship via code is the one that contains the surcharge. Let's sell this customer a couple of items. We'll sell 3 of these and add one more item. Then we will complete our order. At this point, the system will notify us that a surcharge will be automatically added if we click yes. Click no if you do not want the system to add the surcharge. As previously mentioned, it is important to note that you can change the surcharge dollar amount or completely remove it prior to finalizing the invoice using order corrections. I will go ahead and tell the system yes, and the order is complete. Now let's take a look at that order. I'm going to click on current, which is an open order, and pull the order detail up. Click on our line items, and you will see that the system automatically calculated and added the surcharge and used the general ledger account that I instructed it to. Now remember, you can go back and change this dollar amount or remove it completely from the order prior to it being invoiced. It is likely that you may need an updated set of MIS programs before using this feature, as there have been a few recent improvements. If you would like to schedule a brief training session on this feature, please call our support desk at 800-624-6827. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great day.